This video will show you how to install the emblem overlay for the Toyota steering wheel. First, you want to take a paper cloth and some alcohol. Clean off the emblem really good. Make sure that the tape will stick properly. Once it's all cleaned off and dried, remove the emblem out of the packaging. Peel the two-sided tape off. Lightly press it on the front. From here, I like to grab the horn airbag and just press it on. That way it doesn't activate the horn. Push both sides, top and bottom. Make sure it's secured.